What you see, sweet pea? What you looking at? What you looking at? Is that a mirror? That's a mirror. That's a handsome fellow, huh? That's a handsome fellow. That's a handsome fellow. Whoa, that's a good looking boy. Yes, it is. What's he looking at you for? Get him. Get that little boy. Hi, Joshua. Hi, Joshua. Who is that? Who is that? Who is that? Who is it? That's another baby looking at you. Is that another baby looking at you? Who is that baby looking at you? Who is it?